waiting for the day of revenge, losing his only relative, his uncle, who passed away from the accumulated resentment. It must be multiplied. The revenge has begun. The crying scene of losing his only relative who passed away in EP7. Zizong cried to fit the role very well. The Legend of Shanghai, Juan every day at 7:30 p.m.
不，光明正大的走出去。
下官要为在场的数百位大人一大哭。
回家，回家，起来啊！起来！
我向侯爷听信小人之言，礼乃国之根基，法乃国之重器。
我什么手脚都没动，
只要我出来，
他自然就能落下。
就是我命不该绝。